Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to avoid long poll lines. So, first of all, vote early. Many states offer early voting. Take advantage of these days to avoid crowds on election day. Sorry. Determine when your polling place is busiest, usually early morning, lunchtime, and after work hours, and plan your visit during off-peak times. Ensure that you are registered to vote and that your information is up to date. This can help speed up the process when you arrive at the polls. Confirm your designated polling location beforehand to avoid confusion and potential delays. And make sure you have all the required identification and any other materials needed for voting, like a sample ballot to streamline your time at the polls. And if your state allows it, consider voting by mail to avoid lines altogether. Familiarize yourself with candidates and measures ahead of time to make your decision quickly. If you have friends or family who are also voting, coordinating your trips to the polls can help reduce long waits. Keep an eye on local news or social media for updates about the polling locations and wait times. If you're concerned about long lines or any issues, reach out to your local election office for advice and information. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for